Hello, this is Teacher Seppi. I'm going to discuss about LCM and GCF. So, meron kasi tayong, sometimes sa Genet natin, meron tayong questions regarding LCM and GCF. And, ano si GCF? Okay, si GCF is the common number or the greatest common number or factor that can divide the given numbers. So let's say 20 and 48. So what is that biggest factors that is common between these two numbers, or that can divide both numbers? Whereas the LCM is the greatest number, or I mean the smallest number, I'm sorry, the smallest number that the given numbers can divide. Okay? So ganun sila. Kung ito si GCF, itong given numbers, ito si GCF, are common, is a common factor that can divide both number. Ito naman si LCM is the smallest number which the two can divide. Okay? Ganun siya. So, ayun. Merong maraming ways on how to determine the LCM and the GCF and stuff like that. And others are really very complicated. So, I'll be teaching you today, which I'm using with my current students, and this is really very easy, and it will really help you save time when you're answering questions regarding LCM and GCF. Okay? So, ayun. Oh, I'm sorry. I'll be going to upload more videos na lang para siguro mas maintindihan. So, I'll be uploading more on videos and stuff like that. Okay? So, sa English, mathematics, and other subjects. Okay. So, yun. So here we're going to determine about the common between 20 and 48. Now, pag hindi nyo alam kung paano i-determine yung common, kung medyo mahirap siya, mahirapan kung bago pa lang sa inyo yung concept, but I would suggest na i-practice nyo para mas madali. Okay, so anong common? Mas madali kung mag-umpisa kayo dun sa common na 2. Okay? Since 2 is common to both 20 and 48, lagay natin siya dito. Okay? So, ayun. 20 and 48. Now, 20 divided by 2. Okay? 20 divided by 2, that is 10. And then 48 divided by 2, that is 24. Again, yung common, bilugan natin yung common na yan. Yung common between 24 and 10 is again 2. So, bilugan natin siya. So, that's like 10 divided by 2, that's 5. And then 24 divided by 2, that is 12. May common pa ba si 12 at saka si 5? Wala nang common. So, ayan lang siya. GCF natin are these two factors here on the left side, which I encircled. Okay? So, ayun. So, that is just 2 times 2, and our GCF is 4 for these given numbers, 48. Now, so that means 4 can divide 20, and then also 4 can divide 48. Okay? Now, what is LCM? Si LCM naman is the smallest number that these numbers can divide. Okay? So, ayun. Ang gagawin niyo sa LCM, multiply niyo lang to lahat yung factors dito. Okay? So, we have 2 times 2 times 5 times 12. Okay? So, ganun lang siya. So, that's 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 5 is 20, and 20 times 12, that is 240. Okay? So, 240 is the smallest number in which 20 and 48 can both divide. Okay? So, ganun lang siya si LCM. Now, mayroon tayong medyo complicated na case. Like, shall I say, 60, 30, and 25. So, ano yung common sa kanila? So, we can say 5. So, this one is 12. 60 divided by 5 is 12, and 130 divided by 5, that is 26. Right? And then 25 divided by 5, that is 5. Okay? Now, may common ba si 12, 26, at saka 5? Wala na. So that means, encircle natin yun siya para hindi tayo malito sa LCM at GCF. Yung common sa lahat ng given, circle nyo yan. O, encircle nyo yan. Now, dito wala na siyang common sa tatlo. Pero yung dalawa, which is 12 and 26, may common pa din siya. So, what we're gonna do is just get this common out. And 12 and 26, ang common na is 2. So, 12 divided by 2 is 6. And then 26 divided by 2 is 13. And then just bring down that 5 because 5 is not divisible by 2. Okay? So, kung nakita nyo, hindi ko siya binilugan kasi hindi siya common among the three quotients here. Okay? So, that means it is not part of the GCF, but it is part of the LCM. Okay? So, shall we say, our GCF here would be 5. Okay? And then our LCM is equal to 5 times 10. No, I'm sorry. 5 times 2. Okay? 5 times 2 times 6 times 13 times 5. That's it. Ganun lang yung ano yun natin dyan. Okay? So, this one is, I think, 390. 5 times 2, 10, 60 times 5. I'm sorry. Di pala. 30 times 2, 60 times 5 is 3900 pala. Sorry. Okay? So, ayun. Ganun lang pag ano kay LCM. Always remember, si LCM, hindi rin pwede na diretso na lang natin yan. 12 times 5 times 26 times 5. Kasi may common pa yung dalawa. And this is not called, the product of that is not called the LCM. Okay? So, ayun. Ganun lang siya sa LCM at saka GCF. There are some followers asking me to discuss about the percentage. Okay, so ito yung gagawin ko ngayon. Mag-video ako sa percentage patterns. Sa percentage, taking the percentage of something or any problems related to percentage, meron siyang patterns. Okay, so mayroon tayong tatlong patterns. First pattern, second, and third. Okay, so first pattern, usually like 10% of 400 is equal to n, where n is a known. Okay, so kukunin niyo yung 10% ng 400. So this is very common. Usually the question goes this way. What is 10% of 400? Okay? What is 10% of 400? So ganun yung question in this case. Okay? So what there refers to the unknown or the 10% of 400. Ganun siya. Okay, so 10% of 400, ang gagawin lang natin dyan, okay? So remember, pag given yung percentage at saka yung amount, okay? Multiply nyo lang siya. But before multiplying, you have to change the percentage into decimal. Okay? To decimal form. So, okay. So, 10%, nakita nyo yan, this is equal to, in fraction, this is equal to 10 over 100. Kasi, as they said, 10%. Cent there is 100. Okay? 10 over 100. And that is dividing. Look at this. How many zeros 100 has? There are 2, right? So the decimal place for 10 is here. Okay? You just have to move 2 decimal places kasi may dalawang zero si 100. Ganon yung pag-change ng percentage to decimal. Okay? So, mayroong dalawang zero si 100. Yun yung number of decimal places na i-move nyo. So, ito yung decimal place natin ngayon. So, magiging 0.1 na siya. Yung 10% magiging 0.1. I'll be going to take video on how are you going to change decimal to percent to fraction and vice versa. Okay, so ganun siya, 0.1. Now, 0.1, multiply nyo yan siya, 0.1 na siya. Of there means multiplication. Okay, so 10% of 400, multiply that. So 0.1 times 400. Okay, so this one is equal to, just take the multiplication, that is 40. So 10% of 400 is 40. Of here means multiplication. Okay? There we go. Next one, we have, yung next pattern natin, yung amount is unknown, but the percentage is there and also the interest. Okay? Or like the rate. Now, again, si 10%, i-change natin sa decimal place, magiging 0.1. Okay? Then, times, kasi of siya, times n, okay, is equal to 40. Okay, there we go. Now, since unknown si n, and this is multiplication, pag ganitong pattern, i-divide nyo lang siya. Okay? 0.1 or 0.1. Now, cancel this one, so n is equal to 400. Okay? 40 divided by 0.1 is 400. Now, again, yung una kanina, change the decimal place, multiply it here, and that's the value of n. And here in number 2, ganito lang yung gagawin nyo. Pag 10% of something unknown is equal to the rate, i-ano nyo na lang siya. Yung ito, i-divide nyo sa decimal place ng percentage. Okay? So, 0.1, 40 divided by 0.1, that's already n. Okay? Yun yung strategy dyan. Pag ganito yung pattern, divide nyo lang si 40 ng 10. Okay? Ng rate. Okay? Ganun lang siya. So, that's 400. Okay? Next one. The third pattern we have here, and we have to find the percentage. And the amount and the rate is there. Okay? So, n% of 400 is equal to 40. Again, yung pattern at saka patterns 2 and 3 are just the same. We're just going to divide here. Okay? So, this one is n% times 400. Okay? Is equal to 40. Now, this is times, so we're going to divide this. Okay? Divided by 400, and then divide 400 the other side also. So, 40, so n% is equal to 0.1. 40 divided by 400 is 0.1. Now, this is still not a percentage because it's in decimal form. Multiply nyo yan sa, pag kinukuha yung percentage, multiply nyo yan sa 100. And that is equal to 10%. Okay? So, ganun lang siya. Patterns 2 and 3, we just have to divide this one with what is given here. Okay? So, 40 divided by 0.1. If it's percentage, change to decimal place. Same as here, 40 divided by this, that's already the, times 100, that's already the percentage. Okay? So, ganun lang siya. I'll be going to take video later sa fraction to decimal, decimal to percentage, and stuff like that. Okay? So, I hope this one helps you guys. And don't forget to share this video para tawag nito? Mapanood din ng iba na kailangan din i-work out yung this kind of problem. Okay? So, ayun siya. And also, pag gusto nyo ng iba pang videos, browse nyo lang yung page ko na to. Marami siyang video sa baba. Or, yung iba kasi nagre-reklamo, ba't hindi ko ma-view, Sir Teacher Sepi, yung videos mo? Kasi, hindi nyo pa nilike yung page. Pag nilike nyo yung page, doon nyo ma-browse nyo lahat ng post ko. Lang notes, ng videos, and stuff like that. Yung mga test. Okay? So, see you on the next video. This is Teacher Sepi. Bye-bye.